Recently found a source of water after 3 years. Go and find something about the mountains. Got a lot of history, so I expect something to stare at for 2 weeks. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. What I'm doing. Hey! Coffee yet. The news really spreads fast, doesn't it? Hello, I'm Madeline. I am Dorothy, the 247th mayor of Doro village. Are you here to know where the water is coming from? I shall accompany you to the Doro highlands. That's where our water source is. I'll stay right behind you. Mrs. Dorothy? Miss Dorothy. Miss Dorothy, you don't need to accompany me, I'll be fine. I need to check on these sources anyways. Come, the trail is this way. You mess with the cycle, and you die. That's typically how I've noticed this game works. So, what's with the whole Doro thing? You call yourself a researcher, yet you do not know basic Doroian history. I might as well tell you our story. The village used to be overrun with strange spirits made out of pure heat. We used to constantly get attacked by them, burning everyone they touched, leaving nothing but ashes. But the great Doro had a special gift to control water. He washed away every single one of those heat spirits. Doro became so loved that parents started naming their children after him. Our new water source is theorized to even be a gift from Doro that went hidden for years. Strawberry! Yay! I like strawberries. I've seen these weird floaty things all around Doro Mountain. What are they? These are the souls of those who died from the 3-year thirst. They float around the mountain as our afterlife has apparently run out of space. So now I have to babysit the souls every now and then. I never expected an afterlife to run out of space. Just goes to show the severity of the 3-year thirst. What do souls usually do? They can't really do anything, but if you somehow got in their way, it really, really hurts. They're not doing it on purpose. It's best to just steer clear of their paths. Luckily for me, I am able to control them with my crown and staff. Does the crown and staff do anything else? It was originally made by Mayor Number 9 to resurrect the Great Doro, but it only ended up being able to control souls. Since then, it's been passed down to his child, and to their child's child, and to their child's child's child. Well, until Western foreigners introduced us to the concept of democracy, and the next person to get the crown staff wasn't so much a child. Hey, Miss Dorothy? Can you tell the souls to move somewhere else? They're really becoming a pain to maneuver around. Madeline, it is 6 in the morning. I am too tired for that. The movement patterns are not that hard to figure out anyways. We're very close to the top. Welcome to the Doro Highlands. It's quite the huge contrast from the hot climate down at the village. If I remember correctly, Doro Mountain acts as a barrier for wind and rain. If you go to the other side of the mountain, it's completely different. Correct. The other side. Not the desert. Speaking of which, the people refuse to move to the objectively better side of the mountain. I get it, ancestral lands, the very soil where the Great Doro was buried. But I just wish they considered the thought of never having another 3-year thirst. Yes. A crystal heart? Madam Rudy? Madam Rudy? Hello? I answer all your calls instantly. But when Hi, Madeline. Any news on Doro Mountain? Hello, Madam Rudy. It's just a really big aquifer. Nothing much. Damn. I was hoping I had something cool. Please come back before 5 p.m. We'll be having a meeting. Do not miss it. We'll be there, Madam Rudy. By the way, can't pick you up today. Your bird will be driving you home. Click. Beep. I hope I did the right thing. Finally over. Oh my gosh, that was hard. Oh my gosh. Well, I know this is slightly a bit early, but I don't have anything else planned for the night, so I guess we're ending stream now. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow.